quick tip to speed up dry time, regardless of what project you're working on. I like using a blow dryer or a heat gun. I actually learned this little trick when I was teaching at the Ontario, California Redesign with Prima and Dixie Belle conference back in 2019. We had limited time for each class, so heat guns were provided for faster dry time. And the trick is to keep the hot air moving. If you hold it in one spot for too long, it could bubble or peel your paint. But if you move the heat over your project, it really speeds up dry time dramatically. So if you're ever in a rush to get a project done, heat gun or hair blower will do the trick.